Hello everyone, my name is Lolwe. I'm the founder and director, African Boy Child Network, and I'm very honored to be here. Thank you, Dr. Hassan. You're really valued. This is beautiful, really beautiful. And like you said, there's a lot that goes on out there, but it's never recognized. And when we come to the ground and recognize the people who are really doing the thing, then it encourages them. I'm happy that I'm here. Thanks for the invitation. And African Boy Child Network, just for a minute, it's an ungovernmental organization that spearheads sustainable transformation of the boy child. I'm sure a lot of you are surprised that we have a boy child organization. What we say is that you take care of the boy child and the man will emerge. See what you quit? Take care of the boy child and the man will emerge. So a lot of problems that the boy child is going through today, if we are not able to actually deliberately, intentionally take care of them, this will not be a country in the next few years. So when we talk about gender is not about women and girls, it's about everybody, and everybody in their own unique ways is vulnerable. See on you. So as guys, we focus on the boys, and we have a lot of networks for boys, and they are all they're actually in a crisis, and we need to actually concentrate and get them out of the hole that they are in. Sawa sawa. Thanks a lot again, and honored to be here.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, I'm so grateful for all of you being here. We really appreciate. I would like to give my thanks to Dr. Hassan. When I was willing to work with him, I went to him, he gave me his ear, and he listened to me, and he's very supportive. I am here and I thank Allah because of his effort. I am working with him, Dr. Hassan Kinwa, in his foundation. Alhamdulillah, we are supporting street children, and I would like us to take a minute, even when we are outside. It doesn't mean when they all come to you, they need money from you. Just give them an earpiece. Just listen to them. And most of them are Muslims. We've managed to talk to them. I give them counseling. With Dr. Hassan, we try and feed them as we try and help them have a better life. Inshallah, we are trying to construct an orphanage so that we can place them there. We give them a home. Because in our homes we have children. And we don't know our end. Life is very short. We never know our tomorrow. We never know who's going to take care of our children. But if we give love to the street children and the orphans, Allah will eventually send someone to take care of our children. Let's come out there. We have a box here. We have some contacts. You can link with Dr. Hassan Kinwa. You can link with Sister Sophia, our director. And let's come out and support them. Let's give them a home. Let's give them love and care and support. Because tomorrow it will be us. Alhamdulillah, we are trying our best to give peace to everybody out there. It doesn't mean we also need peace. Everybody out there needs peace. And we have to come outside and help each other. Even a coin can do something. You never know your tomorrow. We are sick, we are suffering, we are having difficulties at home. We don't know who's going to remove our distress. But today, if you support the street children, the orphans who are crying, they are dying in the cold when we are warming ourselves up. We are going to die. We are going to be down the grave. The punishment, it's very tormenting and horror. But because of the charity that we do, even a coin will help us, will protect us. Let's look for our akhirah as we remember the dunya. Let's not get lost only chasing dunya. Let's remember our akhirah. We have our box here. Kindly let's come out and support whichever way we can and to give these children home.
First of all, I greet you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I am here as the President of Diaspora of Burundi here in Kenya. And not only that, I am the General Secretary of Diaspora of Burundi in Worldwide. And I thank you very much the way you have invited me here. I appreciate. I have seen the difference. Maybe since I have been here in this country, I have seen the difference today. And what has attracted me more is about what you are doing here. It's very crucial. Everyone can appreciate. We were just talking about this book of Kiswahili. I tried to read it, seeing how it is very well arranged, Samiyati and whatever. I appreciated the way this book was written. You know, first time if you read Kiswahili and you learn Kiswahili, it will be easier or easy to know Kiswahili.